Only certain types of information require encryption. For many, using encryption on a day-to-day basis seems like overkill. After all, people don't have top secret communication with governments or hold super valuable information, right? However, this is exactly what hackers want you to think. Using unencrypted chat apps, even when not discussing sensitive topics, can still be misused by malicious actors. For example, data gathered from your regular chats can later be used in more sophisticated social engineering attacks. So, make sure you always use encrypted chat, even when sending photos to grandma. Encrypted messages cannot be hacked. Not all chat apps use the same encryption method. Encryption proves useless if the device itself is compromised. And even the strongest encryption can be hacked or circumvented. There can never be such a thing as 100% safe communication. Still, some encryption methods are really strong and have stood the test of time. Others, well, not so much. Research your most used chat app and think about whether it's time to make the switch to a more secure one. Encrypted messaging is no replacement for non-encrypted emails. Using encrypted messaging when communicating sensitive topics, for example at work, can only protect you to some degree. If you use unencrypted email, or maybe even the occasional SMS, your security can be greatly compromised. Consider separating your communication channels. Use encrypted email for communicating sensitive or work-related information, and use encrypted chat apps for your personal needs. Today's most secure messaging apps will always be the most secure messaging apps. Messaging apps can change over time, shutting off features or adding new ones, and even changing their encryption protocols. Companies who build the app can be bought by larger businesses, which can affect their privacy and data use policy. As hackers and cyber criminals constantly learn and evolve, so must we. While there are no guarantees, keeping up to date on your cybersecurity news and practicing strong cyber hygiene will greatly increase your digital resilience.